Today we're going to show you how to identify smallleaf and waxleaf privet, two related shrubs that are invasive species in the southeast. You might also know them by their scientific names, Ligustrum sinense and Ligustrum japonicum.
These shrubs were originally brought to the US from China, Japan, and Korea for their ornamental value, but they quickly escaped and started taking over natural landscapes. Now, they are pretty common in the southeast, and many states consider them invasive. Once established, they grow quickly and outcompete native shrubs, wildflowers, and tree seedlings, reducing plant and animal diversity. They can colonize new areas through root and stem sprouts, allowing them to spread rapidly.
Privet prefers moist soil and full sunlight, but they can grow in shady areas too. They are well adapted to city life, growing on roadside edges, construction sites, and city parks, but they can also be found deep in the woods.
Now, let's take a look at some examples. This is smallleaf privet. Notice the small oval leaves that grow in opposite pairs. They're about 1 to 2 inches long, dull green, and slightly fuzzy on the young shoots. It grows as a dense shrub up to 12 feet tall, forming thick walls that block light.
In winter, privet may drop some leaves in colder areas, but often stays partially green. In spring, look for clusters of small white flowers. They bloom April through May and have a strong musky scent. By late summer to fall, the flowers turn into clusters of dark purple berries, which birds love, but they help the plant spread to new areas.
Now, let's compare it to its relative waxleaf privet. The leaves are larger, about 2 to 4 inches long, thick, and very glossy. They are still opposite and oval, but much waxier than smallleaf privet. The bark is smooth and gray, and older plants can look like small trees.
It's typically evergreen, meaning it remains green with foliage even in the winter. In late spring to early summer, it puts out white flower clusters that smell a bit sweet. By mid to late summer, you'll see small bluish-black berries that persist into the fall or the winter.
Now that you know how to spot these plants, here's how you can help.
First, don't plant them in your yard. If they're on your land already, consider removing them. Small patches can be hand-pulled or dug out with a shovel, but larger patches might require herbicides to treat them. A variety of application methods work on privet, including foliar, cut stump, and basal bark treatments. Your choice of application method will depend largely on the size of the plant. You can replace privet with a shrub that's native to the southeast, such as American beautyberry and northern spicebush, and these will support native pollinators and other wildlife.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel to catch future videos covering invasive plants.